Good day, everyone. My name is Arslan, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Third Dimension, which is all about civil engineering and 2D and 3D design. So, in today's video, we have a rendered animation or visualization of another project that I've recently completed. We have a black themed cabin, a cabin in the woods, you could call it that, and there are a total of three different levels in it. It has a size of 29 feet by 7 feet. So this was a project for a client, which he had requested us for a cabin in his farmhouse. So this is the proposal that I've sent, and it is accepted. So inside the cabin, we have this unique sort of a setup in which we have a sitting area, we have a table and a few storage spaces, and this top level is where the bed is located, and below that we have these gummy bag sort of sofas, along with a small coffee table and a small single bed. So let's go back to Revit and let's further check this model out. We even have these neon lights that I've installed. And for the foundation, I've chosen an isolated footing. And the depth of the foundation is kept to 1 meters. So let's check Revit out and further study the model that I've prepared. And let's go to our southern elevation. So as you can see, we have three different levels. So the first is the bottom ground, and then at level 2, the staircase is from level 1, the bottom ground, to the level 2. And then from level 2 we have another small staircase which uh, through which we'll reach level 3, in which our bed is located. All right, so this is our main cabin in the woods, a black themed cabin in the woods. Let's check the realistic view of it for better representation. And this is it. This is my model. So let's go to the rendered view to further check this out. So as you can see, this is the black themed cabin in the woods which we have, and we have windows at the front. Similarly, we have this curtain wall at our side, which is mainly for the sunlight, and these are just a few lights. This is the black staircase which takes us from the ground level, which is our level 1, towards uh, our cabin. And as we climb up, we have this guy in front of us. Similarly, so this is inside our cabin, right? And this is the inside, the internal decor which I have done. And this is a storage space. Similarly, we have a table, a sofa, and right here we have these gummy bag sort of sofas, these small mini sofas for single persons. And we have this small bed right here, which of course can be changed. We have this small, let's call it a wardrobe, a mini wardrobe, because it's just a cabin, right? It's not somewhere where you're going to, live for a long period of time. And similarly, it's perfect for two people, okay? And then at the third level, once we climb up our stairs, this is our main bed, and along with these lamps, and of course, check the view out. The curtain walls. Through the curtain walls, we can see whatever it's happening outside. And I was even thinking of installing a curtain wall here, but then I think one is more than enough. And so guys, this is our cabin in the woods, and let's go to the night view so that we could even check the lights out. So this is our night view of our cabin, and we have these lamps right here. We have that beautiful moon outside, and this is the below the sitting area, which is located on our main level, right? And the floor area is 29 by 7 feet, right? So 29 and 7 feet, and the difference between the ground level and level 1, which is the columns, is 10 feet, and then from level 1 to the top bed area is 7 feet. So 10 feet and 7 feet. So this was our project, guys. a black themed cabin in the woods. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you implement these ideas in your own projects. And if you find my work interesting and you gain even a micro bit of knowledge from it, then do subscribe to my channel and show me some support. So see you in our next video with another interesting project. Thank you.